Hello everyone and welcome to my channel myrenovation.net. Today's video is related to Chapter 7 Post-Renovation and Warranties. In this video, we will be discussing balconies safety. Please refer to this slide from the first video for the outline of the channel. Today, we'll start the video by going through the balcony collapse in Malibu, California on May 8, 2021. It happened during a group party. More than a dozen people were crammed onto the balcony when it collapsed around 5:30 p.m. People, furniture, and shattered wood were smashed on the rocky beach below. The deck literally just gave out. The owner of the house said she rented the house out online and was under the impression that only 5 or 6 people would be staying there. She also said the renter took down her cameras and the neighbors soon started calling her to report a party of 30 people at the house. The investigation is still undergoing, but there are 2 main causes of this collapse. First cause is the balcony was overloaded with people, and we will go through this cause in this video. The second cause is related to maintenance, so please refer to the maintenance video 7.1 for more details. Balcony collapse is quite common. In 2015, 6 people died and 7 others were wounded when a 4th-story balcony collapsed in Berkeley, California. Authorities identified the dead as 3 women and 3 men and said 5 of those killed were Irish students visiting on temporary work visa. Now let's talk about how can a balcony be overloaded. This balcony is overloaded because of a weird idea. So the load is heavier than expected. They are using the balcony as a swimming pool. This balcony is overloaded because building materials become not strong enough to carry the load due to the bad maintenance. Please note that steel does not lose its strength with passage of time. It will lose it because of some other reasons, such as rusting. The structure design is all about calculating loads. There are so many types of loads on any building. The 2 major categories, dead loads and live loads. Dead loads are the loads which result from the weight of the structure itself or from other permanent attachment. For example, drywall, roof sheeting, and weight of the truss. Ceiling, dead load. Truss and roofing, dead load. Walls, dead load. Floor, dead load. Life loads are temporary loads. They are applied to the structure on and off over the life of the structure. People standing, life load. Furniture, life load. Other type of loads such as wind loads, snow loads, and seismic loads. Balcony life loading are required to be higher than other part of the residential structure by building code. The typical interior of the residential structure is designed to 30 to 40 pounds per square foot, but 60 pounds per square foot is required for the balcony. This is part of section 1607 from the CBC or California Building Code. You can see the required life load for all other areas. For residential occupancy, 40. And the balcony and that 1.5 times, that's 60. Because of the importance of the balcony, CBC has a section dealing with the submittal of the planet check for exterior balconies. CBC is asking designer to include details for all elements of the impervious moisture barrier system when submitting for plan a check. This part here is part of a section 1702.2.5 from the California Building Code, submittal document requirements. So the CBC is asking designers to include details for the balconies. That's how important the balconies and deck are. How much weight can a small balcony hold? Small balconies are generally designed to carry the weight of no more than 10 people. If designed properly, your balcony can hold at least 60 pounds per square foot. However, a balcony is built to safely maintain different weight depending on design, materials, and time of construction. Please consult your structural engineer on how much weight can your balcony hold. In summary, please check for signs that your balcony does not hold the weight, such as the balcony is sagging, cracks, but every crack has a different meaning, so please consult professional. Missing or rusted parts, loose connection, rotted wood. Professional inspection is required for every 15 years at least. Please consult your structural engineer if you have any of the above signs to avoid overloading your balcony. I would like to close this video by a warning message from the North American Deck and Railing Association. With more than 60 million deck in the US, 50 million residential and 10 million commercial, it is estimated that 30 million deck are past their useful life and need to be replaced or repaired. It is crucial for homeowners to have their deck inspected to verify the integrity of their deck to ensure user safety, as well as help extend the deck lifespan, improve appearance, and increase livability. This is the website for the North American Deck and Railing Association. Again, thank you for watching, and talk to you in the next video. If you like the subject presented in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again, and talk to you later.